Welcome to our YouTube review of Mochahost. If you're looking for reliable web hosting, Mochahost is a fantastic option to consider. They offer a wide range of hosting services including shared hosting, cPanel hosting, Java Tomcat, and reseller hosting. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, Mochahost has something to suit your needs. One of the standout features of Mochahost is their WordPress hosting. Here are some key benefits. Optimized performance. Mochahost's WordPress hosting is optimized for speed and performance, ensuring your website loads quickly and efficiently. Automatic updates. Keep your WordPress site secure and up to date with automatic updates. Free migration, if you already have a WordPress site hosted elsewhere. Mochahost offers free migration services to make the transition smooth and hassle-free. Enhanced security. Enjoy peace of mind with advanced security features designed to protect your WordPress site from threats. 24/7 support. Mochahost provides round-the-clock customer support to assist with any issues or questions you might have. Mochahost's WordPress hosting is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create or manage a WordPress site. With optimized performance, automatic updates, free migration, enhanced security, and 24/7 support, Mochahost ensures your WordPress site runs smoothly and securely. Plus, their pricing is incredibly affordable, starting at just $3.18 per month. This makes it a cost-effective solution for both new bloggers and established businesses. For more details and to get started, check out the link to Mochahost in the description below. Happy hosting!